Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have a super simple tutorial for you guys to do. It is using Happy Crafter Shop's things, her new items in her shop that she sent, and then some old things from my stash from her as well. So we're gonna make these really cute little beaded ornaments, little bow beaded ornaments. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do this one first. It's super simple. I'm just using the items that she sent me in my design team package. And so these are the red and clear mixed pumpkins. 10 millimeter, you get 40 pieces. And we're gonna use the clear one. You guys can use whatever color you like. The red will look really good if you're doing traditional. I'm sticking to pink Christmas, so that's gonna be my theme. So we have this pumpkin bead. You're gonna need some wire cutters and some round nose pliers, okay guys? And then you're also gonna need an eye pin. I like using eye pins. Eye pins are the ones that have the circle on the bottom. I like using them because I have the option to dangle something from them if I want to. You can also use just a head pin where it's just flat. There's no hook on the bottom. That's fine. Whatever you guys choose. But I love to use this just so that I have that option in case I want to dangle something on the bottom. All right, so you're going to grab that. Then you're going to grab your bead caps. And I'm going to be using these leaf bead caps that I have in my stash. And you're going to start with one leaf bead cap. You're going to add your bead, our pumpkin bead. Look at how cute. And then you're going to top it off with another leaf bead. Look at how pretty that is already. All right, then you're going to grab any type of rondelle that you have. I have this really pretty pink one. I don't know if you can tell, but I got it off Amazon and I barely use it, so I'm going to use it. It's going to dress up this ornament really nicely. Look at how pretty. You see that? It has like little cubic zirconia stones in it. Okay. Then you're going to grab a daisy spacer. Now for this step here, guys, I don't like gaps in between my beads. And so if you don't like that look either, you can totally put a smaller bead. And then I'm going to top it off with my bow bead. And this is from her shop a long time ago, guys. I know you guys have plenty of bows from her shop, so just dig in your stash and use what you have, okay? And then we're going to take our wire cutters, and I'm just going to snip this. It's totally up to you how much you want to snip off. I'm going to take about that much off, and then I'm going to take my round nose pliers. And once again, guys, if you're new to my channel, I have a beading tutorial playlist with tons of videos on showing you guys how to bead and make different projects with beads. But when you're using this round nose plier, you're gonna figure out how big you want your hole, okay? So if you want a smaller hole, you would place your pin here, closer to the end, anywhere here. If you want it bigger, you will go, the further you go this way, the bigger your hole will be, okay? So I'm gonna go about the middle, and I'm just gonna place it where I want it, and it's very important that you keep it there. And I'm just gonna turn and turn, keep on turning, and we're just gonna roll that out. Mine twisted on me a little bit. Let me straighten that. Just clamp it together, keep it in that spot, and continue to roll, okay? Now be very careful that you don't roll too tight, you guys. You can break your beads. Once it gets a little, see how this is in the way, I like to turn and then continue to roll until it's nice and tight. Okay, I'm going to tighten it a little bit more, and then I'm going to clamp this because they're loose for some reason. All right, sometimes you'll have to undo it a little bit and then go again. It's very important that you keep your pin on here in the right direction, the right, you know, wherever you want. If you're gonna place it here, make sure you keep it there. is what I'm trying to say. I don't know what's up every time I try to do a tutorial. I go blank, you guys. So there, and then you can straighten it up a little bit if it shifts on you. But there goes your beaded ornament. Look at how pretty it is, you guys. Let's do the other one. So the same technique, just using some different beads. I'm gonna grab my eye pin. I'm gonna start with a bead cap, and I'm using more of a bigger, fancier one. And then I'm gonna use, these beads are from her last kit. They're the Christmas bead mix. She might still have some left. I'm gonna use the white one. It's a 12 millimeter. So it's a bigger bead. And so I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And I'm gonna top it. Look at how pretty that is. I'm gonna top it off with another. And then the same thing. So we're gonna go in with that rondelle bead. And if you don't have these rondelles, use your daisy spacers. It's fine. Look at how, but that really fancies it up. I think it makes it look a lot more like an ornament. And then I'm gonna go in with a daisy spacer as well. Let's see if it'll fit. Okay. And then I'm gonna top it off with another bow bead. This is another one from her older releases. I have what she sent me, plus I ordered a bunch on my own. Look at how cute, guys. Because I just love bow beads. Y'all know I love anything with bows. And I'm just going to clip off a little bit, maybe like an inch. Be careful. These will fly everywhere, and you do not want to step on these. And then again, place your pin where you want it and just roll, okay? And once, you know, the bead starts to get in your way, turn and roll. Okay. Ooh, that looks pretty, you guys. And then if you need to, fix up your little coils. It's important to keep it in the right place. I keep shifting it because I'm used to making these holes a little smaller. I just want to fix this up a little bit. I want to make it nice and neat. All right, but you guys get the idea, right? And then there goes your beautiful ornament beads, you guys. You can use these on any project. Look at how gorgeous they are. So I hope that this tutorial was easy to follow. Let me know down below what you think, and I hope that you guys make these. Tag me if you create these. I would love to see your beautiful ornament beads. This one looks so fancy, you guys, and let me know which one is your favorite. Do you like the smaller one or the bigger one? They're both really cute, but this one seems a little bit more fancier for some reason. All right, so that's it for this video. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to use my code Poochie10 with happycraftershop.com. I will have her link down below along with my playlist for all of the videos that I've created for her since I've been designing for her. And then I will also link that beaded playlist for you guys in case you guys are interested in learning about beading if you're new to beading. All right, so that's it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, everyone.